It may be that interest rates will have to rise somewhat to make sure that our economy doesn't overheat, even though the additional spending is relatively small relative to the size of the economy. So it could cause some very modest increases in interest rates to get that reallocation.
That was Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen speaking earlier today in an interview with The Atlantic. Those comments rattled investors. And for more, let's bring in now Bloomberg's international economics and policy correspondent, Michael McKee. So, Mike, I guess one of the questions I have is she talking literally about raising rates before you taper? Because I thought we just heard from Chair Powell he's not going to think about raising rates until after he's tapered some.
Yeah, this was a bit of an own goal, David. She didn't say anything that anybody else wouldn't have figured out, that if we spend an awful lot of money very quickly, it could cause the economy to grow faster, and that could be a problem. The problem that she has is she's Janet Yellen. And if she says that, people are going to take it very seriously because she's the Treasury Secretary and she was the chair of the Fed. She's not trying to say anything about what Jay Powell and the current Fed would do. She's just talking theoretically that you could see an overheating of the economy if that were indeed to happen, if you had too much money chasing too few goods. She went on to say this is going to be a long spend out for the two programs that Biden has proposed. And so she doesn't expect it to overheat the economy or be bad for the economy. It should help raise growth levels. But just because she brought up the point, it does cause some market heartburn.
Did she include anything about transitory? I mean, it's the favorite word of her successor, Jay Powell.
Yeah, she didn't, because she wasn't really talking about inflation. She was defending the administration's plans in terms of their ability to produce higher growth over the long run. The pandemic rescue plan fills in the hole that we fell into last year, and then the jobs and families plans will build the capability of the economy to grow more quickly. She wasn't predicting that we're going to see interest rates rise, but everybody knows at some point they will.